Welcome back, everybody. You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Got a call from a customer. They said, "Handyman, we have a link underneath our sink. Can you come fix it?" Now, this is all through text message, and this is the information that I was provided. They said, "We think it's coming from the braided metal supply lines. You know, those flexible lines? You can see them under most kitchen sinks."
I said, that's interesting.
They also state it appears that it is oozing out of the hose. It's not at a connection point. Very, very peculiar. I said, "Well, how bad is it?" This is me trying to get enough information. Like, do I got to go there now? Or can I put this on the schedule for next week? They said it only happens when we turn the water on. And I said, okay, we're safe. I can be there on Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I'm heading out. I don't have very many tools with me except a lot of lights. A lot of lights underneath the kitchen sink. I'll put links down in the description for these pretty cool lights. This one here's got magnets on it.
Anything else that I need?
I don't think so. Let's make sure that the supply lines are included. They're just attached to it. They're not even like a separate part anymore. And should go on real quick. Turn, nice. That's another quarter turn. Nice. Today's video is brought to you by Uncommon Goods. Have you guys got all your Christmas shopping done? If you're like me, you haven't. Uncommon Goods is here to make your holiday shopping stress-free. I found a gift for my kids. I certainly found lots of gifts for myself. There's one person I haven't gotten a gift for yet, and that's my wife. My wife likes candles. She has unburned stacks of special candles that smell a different way. So I knew I couldn't go wrong with just getting a candle, but I didn't want any candle. I wanted something unique. So I go on to Uncommon Goods, type in candles, and it didn't take long for me to find a pretty cool candle. I wanted something that is different than just regular wax in a glass jar. And I found these crystal geodes that are made of candle wax. I think that is just the ticket for a nice little gift for Christmas. When you're shopping at Uncommon Goods, you're supporting artists, small independent businesses. A lot of the products are often handmade or made in the US. To get 15% off your next gift, go to uncommongoods.com/handy. That's uncommongoods.com/handy for 15% off. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Uncommon Goods, we're all out of the ordinary. Oh, look at that. Is that a shark bite? Holy cow, look at that. Look at that. It's a shark bite. And it's not leaking. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Well, I just got back from the customer's house. It was one of the quickest, easiest faucet replacements I've ever done. Real fast money, $400 an hour. I only used a few tools. I think I used a screwdriver and this little guy. Where is that son of a... This little set of Knipex. It's no longer debatable. I've been saying it right all along. Knipex. I'll put a link down in the description where you can get this cool little pair of pliers. It fits in your tool belt without loading it down your tool box, your tool vest, whatever. Some of you loyal, long-time fans will know that I remodeled that entire house. Single-handedly, the entire thing. And I installed that faucet. And I remembered, ooh, this whole thing was managed by an interior designer. And the interior designer would go on a shopping spree to Wayfair. So that's where that off-brand or European brand, not that versed in Wayfair products, but I know that's where it came from. There wasn't a real fast way to order that hose. I did a quick Google search on it. I couldn't even find that model on their website. Customer said, hey, I'll just run down to Lowe's and grab a new one. I said, yeah, they all pretty much look exactly like this. We had a little back and forth about working with that designer. I remember her quite vividly. I talked quite a bit about this lady in those videos from 3-4 years ago. Talk about robbery, but hey, if you got the money, spend it, I guess. So it's a quick swap, nothing out of the ordinary. Customer couldn't believe it. They loved it. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also go down and click that like button. Sometimes I do business videos that are in this style. It'll be a less of the work, less of the what went wrong, and more of the customer interaction and the pricing. How did I come up with $400 an hour? That's a topic for the business channel. People get triggered over here when we talk about money. I had to start a whole nother channel just to talk about money. At the time of the filming of this, I think it's at 117,000 subscribers. But this video is not going up for several months, so who knows what it'll be at. But consider going over there and subscribing if you're curious about the money that the handyman makes working for people, fixing their houses. Sometimes it's simple repairs, sometimes it's woodworking. There's really nothing I can't do, and there's really no tools that I don't own, unfortunately. I've got way too many tools. I don't have my caulk gun shirt on. That's bad for business, but I think I have a caulk gun hat on. If you're interested in getting a caulk gun on your hat or a shirt or a sweatshirt, there may be some new designs out by the time this video comes out. Go check my website. It'll be one of the top links in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.